Welcome. Today we will show you some things you should keep in mind when connecting the SMA EV Charger Business to the public power grid. The prerequisite is that the EV Charger Business is already mounted on the wall or on a stand. Also, please observe the AC cable requirements as specified in the manual. Open the housing cover using the product key. Disconnect the grounding cable from the cover. Remove the safety cover. To do this, loosen the two nuts. Before connecting to the public power grid, make sure to use the correct cable entries on the product. Switch off the circuit breaker. Strip 20 cm of the AC cable sheath. Strip 10 mm to 12 mm of insulation from the wires. Feed the AC cable through the cable gland into the product. To do this, loosen the union nut, M32. Connect the conductors N, L1, L2, and L3 to the right residual current circuit breaker according to the labeling. Use PZ2 torque 2.5 to 3 Newton meters. Connect PE to the terminal strip according to the labeling. Ensure that all conductors are connected correctly. Tighten the union nut of the cable gland hand tight. Switch off the circuit breaker. Strip 20 centimeters of the AC cable. Strip 10 to 12 millimeters of insulation from the wires. Loosen the bus bar from both residual current circuit breakers using PZ2 and remove it. Connect the supplied bus bar for self-supply to the residual current circuit breaker. Feed both AC cables through the cable glands into the product. To do this, loosen the two union nuts. Loosen M32. Connect the conductors N, L1, L2, and L3 to the respective residual current circuit breakers according to the labeling. Use PZ2 torque 2.5 to 3 Newton meters. Connect the respective PE conductors to the terminal strip according to the labeling. Ensure that all conductors are connected correctly. Tighten the two union nuts of the cable glands by hand. Make sure that all requirements for the network cable are met. See the instructions. Feed the network cable through the cable gland into the product. To do this, loosen the union nut, loosen M20, strip the network cable at least 40 millimeters. And shorten the braided shield to about 20 millimeters. Fold the braided shield back and trim the shielding to 5 millimeters. Evenly wrap the braided shield around the cable jacket to about 8 millimeters. Sort the wire pairs and make sure they are not crossed. Cut the wire pairs at an angle. Lay the wire pairs in place. Ensure that the wires protrude no more than 0.5 millimeters. Attach the supplied cable tie for strain relief and cut off the end. Use pliers to press the two module parts together. Attach the second cable tie from the package and cut off the end. Snap the RJ45 module into the socket. Connect the network cable from the charge controller to the RJ45 module. Tighten the cable gland's union nut by hand. The SMA EV Charger Business is equipped as standard with a suitable interface for power reduction via an external control device, in accordance with the requirements of ENWG Section 14A. The charge controller has a configurable two-channel I/O interface consisting of an optocoupler input and a relay output. Seal any unused housing openings and the pressure compensation membrane. Wait until the product is ready for operation. This process takes about 5 minutes. The LED lights up green. Carry out the inspection of the charging station according to IEC 61851 and fill out the inspection protocol. You can find an example of an inspection protocol on the product page at smrsolar.com. Close the housing cover. Ensure that the charging station charges without errors. We hope this video was able to help you with your questions. If you need further assistance, check out more tech tips on our channel or leave your questions in the comments below this video. Would you like to always see the latest tech tips for SMA products? Then subscribe to our channel.